In this video, we will show you how to use kitchen waste for effective gardening. You can use any kind of vegetable peels, fruit peels, eggshells, and used tea leaves for making this mix. Let's see how this is done. These are some of the waste materials found in our kitchen. You can cut bigger pieces into smaller pieces for faster decomposition. Banana peels are rich in potassium and magnesium, which are essential for flowering. Let's also cut them into smaller pieces. We can use any kind of vegetable or fruit peels or their remainings in this mix. Onion skin contains many vital nutrients. Eggshells contain lot of calcium, which is also essential for healthy growth. You can crush them for faster decomposition. You can also add used tea leaves here. We don't recommend you to add any cooked food waste here as it attracts insects which might damage the plant. Now, the mix can be considered as an organic equivalent to NPK as it contains nitrogen from the used tea leaves, phosphorus from the cucumber skin, and potassium from the banana peel and onion skin. Now, we can take a look at how to use this mix in the garden. Loosen the topsoil and remove the weeds around it. Weeding is very important as the weeds compete for nutrients and water. You can try this in container gardening also. Once the preparation of soil and weeding is complete, you can bury the mix under the plant. Do this weekly and you will see a noticeable difference. Doing this once in a blue moon won't make any significant difference as the one you can see now. We haven't been doing anything to this plant other than watering for the last 6 months, and you can see there are little or no flowers. Doing this regularly will yield amazing results, as you can see. By using this organic waste, we can improve the soil quality also. Try this out and let us know your experience in the comment section. If you like this content, please like the video and subscribe to Plants Island for more contents from us. In an upcoming video, we will show you how to properly fertilize water lily without affecting the fish in the water. Thanks for watching.